Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Today is Monday. It's 7 a.m. and we're heading down to the barn to milk the goat. Okay, and the crazy goat lady, we're heading down. It's nice to go fast. She didn't fall off. Good morning, Bella. Want to get milked? Okay. Lisa's milking Bella. It's really bright out here. I get that feeder hooked to this, and things will be a lot easier. So I can drink my coffee. Okay, Bella's been milked, and we're on our way back up the house. I have gravel coming here within a half an hour or so. Okay, here comes the gravel. This will be gravel for the patio area. Heading out to get some fuel for my tractor. There's a Mount Rainier over there. There's a pretty day. Over there is Mount Adams. Okay, we got our diesel for the tractor. Okay, we got fuel for the equipment, and plus I topped off the Jeep for this weekend's Jeep run. Okay, now we're heading home and gonna move some gravel, and that's what I got to work on today. Okay, now I'm gonna start working here. I'm gonna go ahead and feed the animals a little bit early. I was down at the barn. Looks like those goats might need a little more hay. Well, I won't overfill that feeder. Okay, all the pigs got a treat. Plus they all got hay. They all have alfalfa and also grass hay. Bella's got food. I think she just wants grain or attention or something. You have to get your grain later when you get milked. And pigs in here enjoying their hay. Well, I found 2 eggs the chickens ate today, and that's not good. I got the water off, sprinkler going in the garden area. I'm gonna go up and start moving some gravel. I'm ready to start putting gravel right here. I just blew off these elm seeds, and the wind keeps blowing back on. I really don't want elm trees growing in my gravel, but it probably will happen anyway. Hopefully we have enough to gravel this whole area up to the cone, and then we'll wrap it around here back to the gravel that's over there. And later on we'll plant grass there where the little cart is. There it goes. First scoop of mini. So far, so we gotta spread it over here. It's a little high. It's okay. I'm not sure how much I'll actually have to finish the whole thing, but would like to lay at least a small layer across this area right here, so we make this loop. Right now, I'll go down and change that water that's in the garden area. Sally's running with me. That's Sally. Very noisy chicken. So I was looking to jump off, go play with Shelby. Shelby runs. She will want to. But Shelby's being lazy today. I used up most of the gravel. I do have a lane that wraps all the way around, so when it rains we're not tracking mud. We still have to plant grass here. We're gonna pack this down a little bit more. We'll do a little bit more leveling, and it should be good for winter and for rainy days. So this is what I have left of the pile. It's about enough just to spread out, and that's about it. Okay, Troy's learning how to milk the goat now. Of course, the wind is blowing 100 miles an hour. It's kind of miserable out here.
Because that's what he's doing to us, trying to get that milk control. That's why that's how you do it, honey. No. Miss Bella. Pretty girl.
Well, so as Bella is milked, then we're done with all the chores for today.
Nope, you still gotta feed the baby.
Okay, I gotta feed the baby. Which is running around here somewhere.
He's right here.
Anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Have a great evening.